In this video, I'm going to show you how to get real tweaks, real themes. Today, let's do the impossible on iOS 26. This is tweaks without a jailbreak. This is incredible. It even works on the iPhone 16 Pro. Before we get into the video, we have to talk about device and iOS version compatibility. This works on iOS and iPadOS 17.0 through 18.7.1 and iOS/iPadOS 26.0 through 26.0.1. It works on A12 through A18 devices, and currently A19/M5 devices are not supported. This is still pretty new, so it's worth noting here that this is not a good idea to do this on a main daily driver that you're using every day. Please be smart, and if you want to use this on a secondary device that you're not using all the time. This app has light versions of tweaks that you can actually use, so it's definitely worth checking it out. This is an app that you'll need to sideload onto your device. If you already know how to sideload, feel free to skip ahead using the timestamps down below. You'll want to install AltStore to your computer on Mac. Once that's done, go ahead and open it. You can plug your phone into your computer. Also, in Finder or in iTunes, make sure Show This iPhone When on Wi-Fi is checked. And if you're on Mac, that's it. You're good to go. If you're on Windows, it's pretty similar, but there's a few more steps. Make sure to download both iTunes and iCloud from the link down below in the description, and make sure it is from this link and it's not from the Microsoft Store. So right now, I'm installing iTunes. And once that's done, I'm going to click this link to download iCloud for Windows. Make sure your device is connected to your computer. You may see a pop-up saying you'll need to trust your iPhone to your computer. You can go ahead and do that, and then from there, the computer should recognize your device. If your computer doesn't recognize your device properly, it could be a number of different things. USB drivers may not be installed correctly, or it may just be a bad phone cable. Make sure the cable is properly plugged in, or try a different cable. Sometimes it is the cable you're using, so just keep that in mind. Also, of course, make sure Sync with this iPhone over Wi-Fi is checked in iTunes. And there we go. Once all of that is out of the way, you can go ahead and click Get AltStore, and then just go ahead and download AltServer for Windows. Now just go ahead and double click to open up the installer, and then click through to install AltServer. Once that's done, search for AltServer and then go ahead and open it. Windows Defender might pop up here. Just go ahead and allow access, and then you should be good to go. Go ahead and open it from your taskbar down at the bottom of the screen, and you should see a little button that says Install AltStore. At this point, the process is the same on both macOS and Windows. Type in your Apple account username and password. And don't worry, this is safe to do. This uses an Apple account in order to properly authenticate it, so that's the reason why it's asking for a username and password. This authenticates it directly from Apple servers, so it's completely safe. If you'd like, you can also create a separate Apple account just for this process. So now AltServer will start to install AltStore onto our iPhone. We now see this message indicating AltStore requires developer mode to run. Until developer mode has been enabled, this app will not work. So what we have to do is go into Settings, Privacy and Security, and scroll all the way down until you see developer mode. Turn that on and tap to restart your device. And now we're greeted with a splash screen that says ready to enable developer mode. Developer mode allows you to use features that are required for app development. So just swipe up to continue and tap enable, and then it will restart and you should be ready to go. So now when we open AltStore, it's going to ask us to allow AltStore to find devices on local networks. You want to make sure that you tap on allow for that. That makes sure that the computer and the device are able to communicate with each other wirelessly. Now we're going to have to sign in with our Apple ID. And now we want to download the latest version of the app down below in the description and open it with AltStore. Now let's take a look around the app. There's a lot of cool things here. Since this is still new, keep checking back for any additional updates with any other really awesome tweaks. Out of the box, one of the really useful things to do is disabling OTA updates, and it's something that I would recommend doing right away. This just means you won't accidentally update your device and you can keep using this app. Some tweaks are experimental and in beta, so you'll need to subscribe to the developer's Patreon in order to use it. As the tweaks get updated and less buggy, they'll be out of the experimental phase and anyone can use it. Scrolling through the list of tweaks, double tap to lock seems really cool, and I remember that being an awesome jailbreak tweak, so I'm going to add that, and I'll also put DynamicStage Lite on here. Once we've picked the tweaks that we want to apply, tap the Confirm Changes button. From here, it will run the exploit and it will apply the tweaks. Depending on what you applied, this whole process might take a few minutes, so just be patient. Once it's done, it lets us know that the tweaks applied successfully. What's that tiny circle in the corner? We'll come back to that. Anyway, going to Settings, General, and Software Update on your device now returns an error saying unable to check for update. An error occurred while checking for a software update. Again, this is awesome because this will prevent any auto-updating or accidental updating that you might encounter, forfeiting the ability to use this app. With DynamicStage Lite, just choose a top app and a bottom app, and once you select the apps, you can now see that we have split-screen multitasking. You can move and resize the windows, and this is pretty cool. Now, let's activate Axon Lite. Axon lets you group your notification center by app. There's also a built-in themer, and we're going to activate that as well. Now just tap Confirm Changes, and once the exploit runs, you'll see the changes are applied. Now swiping up, you can see here is an iOS 6 theme. Even the app icons in the app switcher are themed. That's a really cool touch. Seeing Axon come to life on iOS 26 is insane. And this is one definitely worth taking a look at. For those that have never used it, Axon groups your notifications by app, and I just think it looks really clean. Double tap to lock is a simple tweak. I think it's really cool. You can even control your device's animation speed with the drag coefficient option. It's awesome to see a lightning fast animation speed on iOS 26. But I know the one that you guys are really here for. Let's take a look at how to install Gravity. The latest update of this app now includes Gravity Lite, where you can make home screen icons fall with physics. This tweak has had a few different versions over the years, but it was always a really cool tweak and something that told you, well, you were jailbroken. Somehow though, we can do this without a jailbreak at all, which is crazy. So let's activate that, and now we can tap into the pending change icon, and from there we can tap confirm to confirm the changes. Some of these tweaks take a long time to apply, and this one in particular does take a little while, so just be patient and wait a few minutes. So now, once it's done applying, swipe up, and you can see, there you go. It's truly remarkable that this is possible to do without a jailbreak, and on iOS 26. Crazy. Anyway guys, that's pretty much going to do it for today's video. That was how to tweak your device without a jailbreak. If you enjoyed today's video and it helped you at all, please hit that like button. Want to stay up to date with everything about customizing your iPhone? Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, turn on that bell icon so you never miss out on a brand new upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one, guys. Peace.